Baby, I love your shoes.
Crazy? I was crazy once. They locked me in a room. A rubber room with rats. And the rats make me crazy. Crazy? I was crazy once. They locked me there. The rats make me crazy. Crazy? I was crazy once.
Oh, let's see.
The Carpet King.
It is weakness.
Look at that, perfect fit. There you go. It's a perfect fit for you.
Maybe you learned.
That was $3.99.
Yeah.
What a bargain.
There's a reason for that, Max. We'd like to make an announcement.
I'll be popping bottles.
I don't know the words, Max.
Royalty looking sexy. You know that be my bae.
Hello vlog, we're back rapping again. Right, okay. I'm actually, funny enough, wrapping up a book. This is for Zachary. It's his birthday tomorrow. I didn't even get my scissors. Right. Okay. Right, there we go. It's pretty good. You can put a tag on it. Well, a tag. Bit of paper that says happy birthday from me and Max. Right, there we go. That's pretty good. That's for Zach.
The Carpet King.
I used to watch. I'm Totally Spies. Hello.
Where are you gonna go?
The Legend of Zelda, the horse bike. I don't care.
Distracted me.
My shirt.
Yeah, I'm gonna drink the monster before we go to the dentist. And what?
We're going to dentist and I'm scared.
Just a massive tooth.
Hello, Toby of the Future here again. I just wanted to say something really quick. Today I went to go see my first ever gig, basically. It's quite a special thing for me, and the band we happened to go and see was Iron Maiden on their Future Past tour. I got a few videos from the night, but obviously no songs are going to be at any great length, what with copyright, and also just how boring these videos can sometimes seem, especially since it's like being in the moment that matters more, and nobody's quite going to understand what it felt like being there, and like seeing it all in front of you. But nonetheless, it was an excellent set, really well done, and yeah, here it is.
I'm going to be bouncing.
Number 6.
London. Hide, Becky.
Toby, don't film, do a selfie instead.
Well done.
The Carpet King.
Hello, vlog.
Oh my god, the vlog.
Oh, yeah, I kind of already forgot this morning. So here we are.
My shoes are all squeaky.
The floor's been cleaned. That's kind of odd. So Charlotte has left me in this room alone, so I'm in t-shirt. Very cool. I'm drumming alone. I'm testing out new drum sounds. Because yeah, if you put paper on a snare, it'll mute it a bit. I've got a capo that's holding this this mouse mat onto this tom to mute that. I've also got a hoodie here. I'm not wrecking the hoodie. I'm using like the back of the stick to be able to kind of get a good sound. I could probably just record a bunch of drum tracks, maybe. Who knows? We always leave little band references on the whiteboard before we leave.
Baby, I love your shoes.
Well done.
So I knew I wanted to do this a while ago, but there we go. I just realised I never actually showed you how any of this stuff works. The leads that are in here, there's two different kinds of these green leads. So some of them are jack leads, which means they both have these on the end. That means you plug them into the guitar, but you can also plug them into any of these slots. But then there's these ones that have these ends, and effectively like plug them into the mics here. And to mic up the kits, we were able to put microphones onto these stands and everything. Just position them wherever we need to have them. So we've trained, ourselves to kind of use overheads and underheads and, sides, things like that. Basically, that all just goes through this board here. And because all these inputs here, mic in 1, in 2, they all correlate to these up here. So 1, 2, 3. This is gain, which means like how much of the signal is going through, and then this just means how you're controlling that signal. That's main, that means that everything just plays through there. And yeah, all of these basically just control the volumes and stuff, and it's rather cool.
Well done.
It's going up. Right, it's coming towards you.
Oh. Which way is it going to choose? Is it going to go straight? It's going to go straight, isn't it?
Well, it won't choose anything else.
Well done.
Hey, sorry I didn't film a hell of a lot today. Anyway, thank you for watching the vlog this week. I hope you've enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.